in the court of civil senior division, then the court has to basically return that plaint.
Yes, it will be returned. It will be returned, and if it overlooks by Shestada of the court, usually it is used to file before a not directly, unlike criminal procedure court, it is not directly filed before magistrate. It is not filed before civil junior division itself. It filed before the Shestada. Shestada of the court is empowered to accept it. So even if it is overlooked by head, certainly I am sure other side wherever will appear, it will bring to the notice of the court. And one point is clear. Pecuniary defect of pecuniary jurisdiction has to be raised at the initial point, particularly before framing of issues. Framing of issue is the first hearing. Understand? Plaint, suppose plaint is filed, other side WS filed. Then issue will come. Then the parties are at variance. Then issue will come. Plaint, written statement. The parties are at variance, so the points will be in issue, and that issue will be settled by the court. And that's the issue. Understand? Order 14, issue. Where issues have been mentioned in order 40, you get it. Now, issues, when the question arises, so I am telling you in that way, that issue is a thing which, in respect of pecuniary jurisdiction, it has to be filed at the initial stage. Objection has to be raised in initial stage. And particularly before filing of issue, you cannot, thereafter you cannot challenge it. After trial,